How'd you get out? No, it's only 8 o'clock. Oh. No, I broke his watch. I remember my dad gave me this watch.
Quentin flashes back to when his father gave him the watch.
Come on in, Dad.
Hey, bud. Hey, I've noticed you've been really concerned with time lately, so I got you this watch. You need to get over your fear.
Well, that doesn't really make sense, but thanks.
Well, you know, we're all gonna die anyway, so who really cares?
Oh,
Hey, I got you a gecko, too.
Oh, cool.
Yeah. Hey, have a great day.
I love you.
I love you, too.
Alright, my letter to Shreve, my letter to my dad. I got my clothes packed up. Gotta go get my suit, and I'll be good to go. Right, Bruce?
After all his preparations, Quentin goes to stare at the water. After gazing at the water, Quentin goes to get his watch fixed.
Hey, I broke my watch. You think you can fix it?
We're closer now, but let me see. Hold on. Yeah, it's fixed.
Hey, wait, don't tell me what time it is. Just give me the watch. Just give me the watch.
Free?
Yeah, free. Awesome. I haven't heard that one before. Sure.
After fixing his watch, Quentin goes back to look at the water. Again. After staring into the water, Quentin meets a young Italian girl on the street and offers her some bread. That leads him to trouble.
Hey, Italian girl. I'm Quentin. You want some bread? Let's go for a walk.
Hey, that's my sister! No!
What's going on here? I'm a
Kidnapped my sister!
No, it's a misunderstanding, I swear.
You're under arrest.
Quentin gets bailed out of jail.
Hey, thanks for bailing me out of jail, guys. I promise I didn't kidnap that girl. I really didn't.
No problem. No problem, dude. I remember the first time I had sex.
What have you guys been up to lately?
Having sex.
You guys had sex? What's that? Man, I'm still a virgin.
Dude, you're missing out.
I don't feel like I'm missing out on anything. Like, virginity is something that is sacred, and it should be saved for the right time. You guys shouldn't just be like having sex all the time. It just makes me mad that you think that.
Sex. It's all the world revolves around.
No.
And money. Don't forget about money. Sex and money.
Abstinence is the way to go. I do.
You're stupid.
After his sex talk with his friends, Quentin remembers getting into an altercation with Caddy's fiancé Herbert, and how he's stealing her away from
Hey,
him.
Herbert, I got a bone to pick with you. Yeah, face me like a man.
What? I'm a nice guy.
I don't like you.
Why?
Because you're stealing my sister away from me.
It's my fiance. What are you gonna do about it?
I'll show you what I'm gonna do.
Shit.
Stop.
Shut up, Caddy. I'm a virgin. You're not. You wouldn't know what it feels like.
Quentin's sex talk with his friends continues.
What do you guys think? That just like having sex is what life is all about?
Sex is life. life is sex.
No, that's wrong.
Look at
Sex
these.
is wrong unless it's sacred. It's sacred.
Look at these girls over here. I'd have sex with them.
Dude, that's probably someone's daughter. Or sister. Even worse, their sister. Think about it. Do you even have a sister?
I don't have a sister.
I have a sister, so you know what? Let's go. I'm sick.
You want to fight me?
I want to.
You want to
I
fight
don't
me?
want to, but I'm going to.
I just bailed you out of jail.
I don't want to do it, but I'm going to. All right, let's get it. Let's go.
Hey, man.
What a loser.
Caddy.
Virgin.
Dalton Ames.
Can't escape time.
Yeah, virgin.
No.